Have you ever wondered why some researchers allow their data speak for itself, while others have a theory before collecting a single interview? That is the power of inductive and deductive approaches. And if you don't understand the differences between these two approaches, then your analysis might be completely off track. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Analytical Mind channel. I am Wendy, a qualitative data analyst and a coach. Today we are going to be breaking down the three major types of qualitative data approaches, which are inductive, deductive, and abductive approach, which combines both approaches. By the end of this lesson, you will not only know what they mean, but you will also know when to use each one in your research. I know you are thinking, how is this possible? This takes us to inductive approach. Think of this as a bottom-up process. You don't go in with a fixed theory. Instead, you collect your data, maybe interviews, focus group discussion, or observations, and you let the patterns, code, themes emerge naturally from the data. In other words, you don't need existing theories in inductive approach. For example, imagine you are studying how single mothers use technology to balance work and family. Instead of assuming you already know the answer, you let the mother's voice guide the themes. This is powerful because it shows and allows new insights and fresh theories to emerge directly from the data. Now, that is inductive approach. But what if you already have a theory in mind before collecting your data? Here comes the deductive approach. This one is top to down. You start with an existing framework, theories, or set of assumptions, and then you test whether your data fits in those theories or frameworks. For example, say you want to analyze interviews based on Maslow's hierarchy of needs. You already have your categories such as physiological, safety, love and belongings, esteem, and self-actualization. And then you code your data into these categories. This method is great when you validate theories or applying known framework to a new context. So we have covered inductive and deductive separately. But what if we need both approaches? This is where the real magic really happens. And in practice, many researchers actually blend the two together. This is often called abductive approach. You might start with a framework, but you stay open to new theories emerging from your data. For example, imagine you start coding based on an existing theory of learning, but along the way, your participants highlight a completely new factor like digital burnout. That wasn't in your theory, right? Okay, so instead of ignoring it, you add it to your analysis. That is the beauty of combining both inductive and deductive approach, which gives us abductive approach. So here is the challenge. Think about your own research or your project at this moment. You are letting the data lead you, that is inductive approach, or you are testing a theory, that is deductive approach, or you are open to combining both. Drop your answer in the comments below. I love to see what or which approach you are using at this moment. So if you find this video helpful, what you need to do is to hit the likes button and also subscribe to the Analytical Mind channel for helpful videos like this. Turn on the notification bells so you don't miss the next video tutorial where I'm going to be breaking down how to analyze qualitative data analysis step by step. See you on the next one.